In today's video, you are going to learn how to use your Cricut Joy to make a simple gift and a card. I got that full tutorial coming right up. Stick around. Today's video is sponsored by Cricut, and I'm going to show you how to use your Cricut Joy to make a simple gift. We're not only going to make the gift, we're going to make the card that goes along with it. If you are new to Cricut and you want to learn how to start using one of your machines, check out my Cricut playlist for all kinds of beginner tutorials. Now let's jump into today's project. You are going to need your Cricut Joy, the card inserts, some pens, smart vinyl, transfer tape, a card mat, a weeding tool, and a scraper tool. Over in Design Space, click on Projects and select Cards for Cricut Joy. You can search for any type of card you'd like. I'm going to use this one with balloons here. They're all made for you. Just click Make It. Design Space is going to walk you through exactly what to do. Here it's going to tell us to load up our pen first and then have that blade on standby. So on the Cricut Joy, we're going to grab one of our insert cards and that holographic insert. The cardstock portion is just going to slide onto the cutting mat, and you're going to load it up into your machine. There's no buttons on the Cricut, you just load it in when Design Space tells you to. So we're going to add the pen first and let the Joy do all the writing first. Then we'll be prompted to switch out for the blade and the project will complete. Once everything is done, we just gently pull the card off the mat. You can use a weeding tool if any of the little pieces are still stuck in there. And then we take this holographic insert and just slide it into the card from the inside. And you've just completed a beautiful personalized card in a matter of minutes. Now for the gift. Over in Design Space, click on Images, and I'm going to choose this Enjoy Every Sip graphic. On the canvas, I'm going to size it to fit the cup that I'm putting it on. Make sure my Joy is selected, and then click Make It. And again, I'm going to be walked through all the steps here. I'm using smart vinyl, so no mat required. And then over on the Joy, I'm just going to load in some of this shiny silver vinyl and let it cut. When everything's done cutting, I'm just going to trim away the part that I want, saving the rest of this vinyl for later. Pull off the excess and weed out the middles of the letters. Then I'm going to use some transfer tape to take the graphic that I created, move it from its backing to the cup. Use a scraper tool and don't be afraid to push hard. The Cricut Joy was made for these kinds of projects. Easy cards that you can make in minutes and simple gifts. You can also use your Joy to label just about anything. I hope this project inspired you to go use this technique to create custom gifts for anyone on your list. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing so you don't miss my next simple, inspiring project. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.